Welcome to the Bangabandhu Stadium in the heart of Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. It is the opening ceremony of the ICC Cricket World Cup 2011, the 10th staging of the ICC Cricket World Cup. As cricket returns to the subcontinent, the three countries, India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, as the young Chapla, the water lily, which is the national emblem of Sri Lanka, is presented to Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister, the Honourable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. A host of dignitaries, from the Prime Minister to politicians, and of course the President of the ICC, Mr. Sharad Pawar. Everyone here to launch what should be the most magnificent cricket spectacle over the next 6-7 weeks, with the final April the 2nd in Mumbai.
And the President of ICC, Mr. Sharad Pawar, Honourable Finance Minister of Bangladesh and Chairman Ceremonies Committee, Mr. Abdul Rahman Abdul Muheen, Honourable State Minister for Bangladesh for Youth and Sports and the Co-Chairman Ceremonies Committee, Mr. Muhammad Ahad Ali Sharkar. And finally, please welcome Bangladesh Cricket Board President and Member of Parliament, Mr. A.H.M. Mustafa Kamal.
উপস্থিত সুধী, স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি ভারত সরকারের মাননীয় কৃষি মন্ত্রী এবং ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ক্রিকেট কাউন্সিলের প্রেসিডেন্ট।
On a cool evening here in Dhaka, the dignitaries welcome to a full house inside the Bangabandhu, which in recent years has undergone terrific changes. This is one of the great cricket stadiums in the world, but it won't be staging the first game. The opening game of the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup will be held not so far from here at the Sher-e-Bangla Stadium in Mirpur. But this has taken its place in history, this great coliseum of cricket and sport, now more designated for a football stadium. But tonight it is the showpiece for cricket's biggest spectacle.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Bangladesh, performed by the renowned cultural organization Chayanot.
The national anthem of Bangladesh, performed by the Chayanot Choir.
পরিবেশন করছেন বাংলাদেশের ঐতিহ্যবাহী সাংস্কৃতিক প্রতিষ্ঠান ছায়ানট।
আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, তোমার বাতাস আমার প্রাণে, আমার প্রাণে বাজায় বাঁশি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। তোমা ফাগুনে তো আমের ভরে ঘ্রাণে পাগল করে, মনে হায় হায় রে ও মা, ফাগুনে তো আমের ভরে ঘ্রাণে পাগল করে, ও মা সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি
The beautiful national anthem of Bangladesh sung by the Chayanot Choir. Now to unleash the spirit of cricket across the world, let's take you back to the very first ICC Cricket World Cup. It began in London, 1975.
The spirit of